60-second challenge.
Can you guess the deadliest animals to humans? Let's learn about them and stay safe.
First up, this river predator kills 1,000 people annually.
The crocodile.
Next, responsible for 3,500 deaths. Worms. Next, causing 4,000 deaths annually. The scorpion. Next, responsible for 10,000 deaths. Freshwater snail. This silent threat claims 10,000 lives. Assassin bugs. This buzzing menace causing 10,000 deaths. Tsetse flies. Surprisingly causes 35,000 deaths. Dogs. A silent killer of 100,000 lives. Snakes. 400,000 deaths annually. Correct. Even human can be deadly. Next, killing over a million people.
The mosquito. You've done it. Write your score in the comments and subscribe to Quizcaster.